Indo-Russian relation refer to the bilateral relation between Republic of India and the Russian Federation. During the Cold War, India and the Soviet Union (USSR) enjoyed a strong strategic, military, economic and diplomatic relationship. After the collapse of USSR, Russia inherited the close relationship with India, even as India improved its relation with the West after the end of the Cold War. Both countries are looking for free trade agreement. The powerful IRIGC is the main body that conducts affairs at the government level between both the countries. India is the second largest market for the Russian defense industry. According to the 2004 the BBC World Service poll, 45% of Indian Russian view India positively, with only 9% expressing negative view. Russia always helped India in the case of war. In 1962 India-China war and in 1971 India-Pakistan war. Russia has always been a crucial ally to India. India has bought many submarines and fighters planes from Russia. Almost all our nuclear reactors were built with Russian assistance. But when India was a British colony, Russia attempted to invade us. India and Russia have acquired a new self-confidence arising out of their rapid economic growth. As rising economic power, both India and Russia are playing an increasing larger role in the world stage. Some of India's globally competitive public sector companies like BHEL, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation (ONGC) and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), as well as the steel industry in India, were set up with Soviet cooperation. The first Indian institute, the technology set up with foreign cooperation, was one of the Mumbai with Soviet support. Cooperation in the defense sector is still strongest link. Even today, around 50% of the defense equipment used by the Indian Defense Force is of Russian origin. India is cooperating with Russia on major defense projects such as indigenously developed nuclear submarine Arihant, fifth generation fighter aircraft FGFA. Of late, Russia also participated in the formation of first group of Indian satellite for distance probing of the Earth. In the nuclear power sector, Russia has already constructed two nuclear power plants at Kondakulam in South India under Indo-Russian Nuclear Cooperation Program. Negotiations for the two additional units on the same site are also going on. In the space sector too, India-Russia cooperation is going on well. The Russian side appreciated the simplified visa regime for Russian citizens being implemented by the Indian side, and this move had contributed to 24% increase in Russian tourists traveling to India in the year 2011-12 as compared to earlier years. India, since its independence in 1947, has followed a policy of peace and non-alignment. India has always raised its voice on the favor of truth and justice. It was after India got its independence in 1947 the nation was able to form its own foreign policy. India's relationship with Soviet Union started off very well due to Pandit Nehru initiative. India's relations with Soviet Union in those first 5 years after independence were ambivalent. Russia currently is one of only two countries in the world, the other being Japan, that has mechanism of annual ministerial level defense reviews with India. India is the second largest market for the Russian defense industry. In 2004, more than 70% of Indian military hardware came from Russia, making Russia the chief supplier of defense equipment. About the 20 institutions, including leading universities and schools, regularly teach Hindi to 1500 Russian students. Apart from Hindi language such as the Tamil, Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Urdu, Sanskrit, the Pali are taught in Russian institutions. The Indo-Russian Intergovernmental Commission (IRIGC) is one of the largest and most comprehensive government mechanism that India has with any country internationally. India and Russia have several major joint military programs including BrahMos cruise missile and fifth generation fighter jet program Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Russia has agreed to build more than 20 nuclear reactors in India over next 20 years. reverse trade or at least opposite to what conventional perception. The second, the top exported items from India and Russia is electronic components, and the top most important items from Russia is gems, precious metal, coins worth $1.1 billion. India's second lunar mission, the Chandrayaan-2, is joint lunar cooperation exploration mission proposed by Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and the Russian Federal Space Agency RKA. The first Russian translation of the Bhagavad Gita was published in 1788 by the History of the Orders of Catherine Great. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.